Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Just give everybody a heads up. I know I said that all the lectures are currently going to be on Tuesday for the rest of this time. However, I have to move today's, and that's why I don't have my camera on right now because kind of on the move right now. Last night, Carson had a little bit of a rough run, and I know I got some stuff with my stepdaughter going on, and we had to take him. We also had to take Carson back in today just to have him, or yesterday we had to check him up last night, and we brought him back home. Everything's fine, but I just want to make sure everything's taken care of, and there's some time with this, so I pushed the lecture back till Wednesday, tomorrow at 3 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Eastern, a little bit earlier. That way we have a little bit of time, just so everybody knows. I also, it's all changed on the calendar as well. So if you want to take a look at the calendar, it's on there for the time period when it's going to be 4 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. with the lecture link, and everything should be changed with the assignments as well. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just let me know. I got your back on that. But other than that, I just want to let everybody know that it's just going to be moved. Lecture tonight is going to be moved back just because I want to make sure that my kids are taken care of just for some things that are going on and make sure everything's good. And then tomorrow we'll have lecture 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Eastern. And then we'll be back to Tuesdays. I know I said it before that, hey, yeah, lecture's going to not move. It's always going to be on Tuesday. But boy, was I wrong. So should be still on Tuesday from weeks 4 through 6. So back to our normal schedule. However, thank you for your patience and dealing with my ever-changing schedule with everything going on. And don't worry, the recording will be up that evening, so you should have it that Wednesday if you have any questions. Other than that, that's all I got. I just want to let everybody know about the lecture change. I'll be sending an announcement. I'll be sending this announcement. It'll be in the announcements ready to go. So it'll say lecture change on there with this video. The live lecture announcement has been changed. It has Wednesday now, the week of 23rd, 3 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Eastern. The calendar's been changed. Everything's been updated. So we will meet tomorrow, 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Eastern. If you cannot make it, it's cool. Don't worry. I'll have the recording up that night. Other than that, just thanks for being awesome. Thanks for putting up with the flexibility in a crazy week this week. I know it's like rare that I ever do this change a lecture twice. In the middle, of course, but I just want to make sure that everything's just covered. Just a wild week. That's all. Thanks for being awesome. I appreciate y'all. Really do. But yeah, lecture will be there, and then that should be it. Flexibility should come back to normal, and then we should be okay. But that's all I got. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see everybody for lecture tomorrow, and you should have some really good insights as to what everything is going on. Also, really cool discussion post this week. I think it's great. If you want to add more to it, if you miss something from lecture that I point out because it's a day later, I get that 100%. So you're more than welcome to edit it if you need to. But just letting you know, I think this is a fun discussion post this week, and a lot of emotions can be triggered from this perception. So definitely check it out. Other than that, I'll see everybody for lecture tomorrow at 3 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Eastern. If you can make it, cool. If you can't, I get it. My fault for changing lecture, 100%. But we should be back to Tuesdays next week, no problem. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody for tomorrow's lecture. That'd be great. All right, everyone. Bye-bye.